Hi everyone, it's Lloyd from Mass Optimizer. In this quick video I want to show you how you can actually download and update your video audio creator software. So once you log into the members area, what you need to do then is click on View and Download Purchased Software, then select Video Audio Creator Software. The same page will be displayed, and simply download version 5 from this blue button. So once you download the software, it will be downloaded to your downloads folder. What you need to do is right click and select copy, take it to your C drive, then right click and select paste, continue. What you then do is right click and say extract all, accept the extraction folder. The folder will then open, and then what you need to do is double click on the TTV 5.0 NSI Windows installer file. Now once the installer has completed, what you will end up with is a new icon on your desktop. Simply double click it and the software will load. As you can see, as requested by a number of members, we now have the ability to save and open existing projects.